Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Just wanted to give you a little shot of my Bridgeport J-head mill. I got it back from my buddy who I lent it to. Was down in his basement for quite a few years. I decided it was time to get it back. As you guys know, I'm working on the machine shop again, so I wanted to go ahead and get everything ready. Here's its twin. So we're gonna have two mills in the back room. Just got this guy back out from the basement. I'm gonna attach some still photos to this post so you guys can see what I had to go through. I spent about 4 hours last Saturday disassembling it. Took the motor, took the head, took the ram, the table, took it all apart, and we dragged the pieces back to the workshop last Saturday. Yesterday, Friday, we went ahead and pulled the base out of the basement. This was a crazy house we went and got this from. This friend of mine, he dug the basement out by hand probably about 50 years ago. He's an exceptional machinist. He would be a guy that I would go to and ask any kind of questions I ever had. If anyone could figure them out, this gentleman could. And I purchased this mill from him probably about 30 years ago. I changed professions after I bought the mill. It sat in my workshop for a few years, and he was retired. He asked if he could use it, and I told him that I would just let him have it to take back to his house, and he could use it for as long as he liked, but I did want it back someday, and well, last week was the day. So here we have it. It's back. It's assembled. I'll put the table on it once I get it into the back workshop, and we can start making stuff. Well, stay tuned for a couple more minutes. I'm going to put that slideshow up with some of the pictures and a short video on how crazy we are on getting this mill out of the basement. And you guys have a great day, great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.
All right, go up. Joey, just watch his height.
Okay.
All right, tilt back. Go away. All right, go up a little more. Up. Go ahead. Up? Yeah. A little more. All right, hold that. Go down. Down? Yeah. Go down. Then get out. That's jammed up there, right?
Yeah, right on that knot, yep.
Okay. Okay, so throw that other strap then.
Okay.